third-generation Mercedes-Benz A-Class has finally been unveiled, boasting more sophisticated looks compared to its predecessor, more efficient engines and plenty of modern safety and convenience tech. As far as styling is concerned, the new A-Class represents a next step in Mercedes' design philosophy of sensual purity. Gone are the aggressive lines of the third-generation model, replaced by a more elegant and mature aesthetic, similar in design to the all-new CLS. Helping the new A-Class stand out is its progressive front-end design, characterized by the low bonnet, flat LED headlights with chrome elements and the torch-like DRLs. Compared to its predecessor, the bonnet of the new model slopes down more heavily, giving the front end a more dynamic appearance. Meanwhile, larger wheel arches, for 16 to 19-inch alloys, help the new A-Class look more purposeful on the road. The rear-end design does its part too, giving off the impression that the car is more muscular and ready to pounce. As for the slim, two-section taillights, they seem far removed from the chunky aesthetic of the old ones. What it's like inside. Moving on to the interior reveals just how many big strides Mercedes have made with regards to this model. The cabin features a more modern, avant-garde look, as the automaker puts it, while the wing-shaped main body of the dashboard extends from one door to the other. While the ambient lighting could easily take your breath away with the 64 available colors, what really stands out about the all-new A-Class interior is its freestanding widescreen display. Future buyers can choose between the following three touchscreen display combos, either two 7-inch displays, 17.78 cm, one 7-inch and one 10.25-inch, 26 cm, display or two massive 10.25-inch displays. Looks aside, uttering the phrase "Hey Mercedes" will introduce you to the MBUX, as the new A-Class is the first ever Mercedes-Benz model to feature this completely new multimedia system. What sets MBUX apart is its ability to learn thanks to artificial